everybody, welcome back to my channel. Alex here. I'm super excited for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you've never seen these big old cheeks before, then do go ahead and consider subscribing before you leave and hit the notification bell next to subscribe so that you don't ever miss a video from me. Alright, you guys, so for today's video, I have my Boxycharm for the month of December. Now, I know I'm a little bit late, but if you follow me on Instagram, which you should totally do, then you'd know that I took a trip to Canada and we was doing a little bit of vacationing there, the vlogs up and everything on the vlog channel. So if you didn't know how to vlog channel, go ahead and check out. I'll probably put it up here in the cards or somewhere. I'll also list it down in the comment section as well, the description box, so you can check out the vlog channel. So yeah, let me get into the Boxycharm for the month of December. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a beauty subscription service for $21 a month, and you get about a value of $100 worth of beauty items in here for $21, like I said, and you cannot beat that with a stick anywhere else because you get full-size products. Not no teeny weeny samples. I tell you this all the time. So if you want to go ahead and sign up for your own Boxycharm, I do have a link in the description box. It is my affiliate link, so support your girl, okay? So yeah, let me open up this month's box. And you guys always know we have a theme in each month's box, and I don't know where my theme is, where my paper is. I guess they forgot about that or it fell out or something. But I do have it pulled up on here on my phone, and it says that this month's theme was "'Tis the Season." Like sea, like water, like aquatics, like me being here in the Bahamas and all that stuff. So yeah, "'Tis the Season." I mean, nah. I don't know, like, I always feel like you should end the year with a bang, and I know they have their BoxyLux, which is like a super bigger Boxycharm, like way more pricier than this one, but I don't know, like, I wanted this box to be a little bit more festive. Here's what the inside looks like, but I'm not gonna write it off just yet. Let me see what they sent me for this month's box. So the first thing I'm going to pull out of here is from a brand that I've actually started to really like, and this is by Pretty Vulgar, and this apparently is the Powder Room Matte About It. This is a translucent setting powder. Okay. Ooh, that's so cute. It comes with a little puffer and everything. Oh. Now, this looks like it would be able to do a little bit of, you know, setting for me. Not an all-over powder because it is super light. You probably can't see that, but yeah, I love the little puff. I really like Pretty Vulgar's packaging. They're always like this really edgy vintage type of situation, so it's really beautiful. I like it. Definitely going to be trying this for setting my under eye area and anywhere else that I need to set. Let me see what else we've got in here. Now, everybody, like, let me say this also about Boxycharm. A lot of times we get variations of things. So if you got your December box and you're not getting exactly what I have shown here, and you got something else, then don't worry, it's okay. Like, there are a couple of variations of the box, so it's just really exciting to open up the box and see that you got something different from others, I guess. Does that make sense? You can always swap out, you know, if you don't want something, you can share it with your family or friends and things like that. So, next up in my box, I got, ooh, what is this? Oh my goodness, it is a styling tool. Guys, I got a hair, wow, this is by PYT, apparently, and it's a 100% ceramic mini styling tool. Oh, wow. This is awesome. Oh, it's adorable. Oh, it's a little blue one, look at it. A little travel one. This is probably good for edges whenever I get my hair silk pressed again. So yeah, this is really cool. Something to really have handy, and it comes in its own little pouch. Definitely great for travel. I'm floored. Like, I think this is the biggest thing that I've gotten ever in my Boxycharm. So that's pretty cool. We get a whole flat iron, girl. No other beauty subscription box is gonna give you a whole flat iron. Okay? Y'all know this. No other beauty subscription service is going to give you a flat iron. So I'm excited. Wow, that's super nice. So moving on, Next up, I have this Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. This is from a company called COSMEDIX. Boxycharm also does well-known brands as well as brands that we have not heard of before, and I've never heard of this brand, but I'm always geeked out for some type of mask. I love masks. I'm obsessed with masks. So this one's probably going to be really, really good. It says it's a detox mask, like I said earlier, and it has activated charcoal, which is really good for pulling out impurities out of your skin. My skin has been acting nuts from, it's been a while. It's been a while since my skin has been freaking out, so I'm really hoping that this one really draws out any impurities and things like that that I've been dealing with for the past week. Next up, I have it's a lip pencil. This is by BODYOGRAPHY. We got something from BODYOGRAPHY, I think last month. I believe it was a spray or a makeup like cleansing brush spray or something like that. This apparently is a lip pencil, and it's this super light pink. It's definitely too light for me, so it's probably something that I would have to see it there. Probably something I'd have to use for shading in or something like that. But it's super light, a little bit too light for moi. But it's definitely something that I could probably use in any event. I'll figure out a way to use this pencil. And last but not least, I get so excited when I see things from Tarte in my Boxycharm. This is the Tartiste, or Tarteist, however you want to pronounce it, shimmering lip paint, and they sent me the color Strike Gold. Let's see. Oh, nice. This is like a bronzy, shimmery situation. Oh, nice. Okay. So it's one of those, it's like a gloss. And you can't see it. It's right here. You can probably see the shimmer action going on with it. It smells nice. It smells like all chocolatey and stuff. It's like a monochromatic kind of multi-glitter with some purples and golds going on inside of it. So yeah, this will definitely be like a good lip topper to a nude lip, if anything. Or if you wanted to wear it on your own and you have pigmented lips like mine, you're probably going to want to wear a base color like a dark brown pencil first and then put this on, because this can probably ashy up your lips or make it look like it's a lot more lighter than it really is. Does that make sense? Like, has that happened to you before, where you put on a lip gloss and you're like, whoa, this is like super duper light and it doesn't look that way in the tube? Yeah, this looks like this is going to be one of those, so I definitely use this as a lip topper. But you guys, yeah, that's it for today's video. I'm not that excited for this month's box, and I'll tell you why. Because we are in the Christmas season, I was expecting, you know, flashing lights and glitter and everything. I was expecting something really huge, but I'm more like wah wah for this month's box. Let me know if you feel that way, if you got your Boxycharm this month and you weren't that excited either. Like, I think I'm cool with this, and I'm cool with this, you know, lip gloss setting powder. Definitely cool with the straightener, but then I'm like, okay, like I want to love it all, but I can't. But yeah, so this month's box was so-so. Yeah, let's give it that rating. It was so-so. It wasn't like pow wow me, like, you know how they started out in the summer and then like it feels like they just moseyed on off. So, oh, Boxycharm, I do hope we get some amazing stuff in the spring. So January, I'm looking forward to an amazing New Year's box. So Boxycharm, if you're watching this, get us some awesome stuff for January. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching and subscribing if you have, and I will see you guys in my next video really, really soon. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if it was helpful to you. I love you guys so much. See you in the next one. Bye.